Well, now we've got it MOT'd, we've got a little campsite booked, haven't we, Samantha?
We have.
What are we going to be doing?
When? This weekend?
Yeah.
Trying out the motorhome, see if it works.
Yeah, see if everything works.
Yeah.
So Samantha's just getting all the stuff from out the house now and seeing where it's all going to live in the motorhome.
Which is going to be trial and error.
Yeah.
So,
see where everything goes.
cups all need to go in there. Right, travel cups.
And the dog has, yeah, she's found her home on this chair over here. Yeah. Hey, we've got a lot of stuff to get in here, Sam. I somehow seem to think that this probably isn't half of it.
No. Well, there isn't much. Well, yeah, still got to buy some stuff. Like plates.
Yeah.
We need plates. Got me, and we need tea and coffee. We're using plastic at the minute. So, until I get some.
Tea and coffee jugs.
Yes.
Well, jugs. What do you call them?
Canisters.
Jars.
Oh,
Canisters.
Canisters. Yeah. They come in a couple of days' time.
Can you show them what you've done with the microwave? Because we're not going to use it that often, are we? So.
No, it's just for your breakfast.
Just for my breakfast.
He likes it hot, guys. So, it's in the cupboard, out the way.
Yeah, just stuck it down there, ain't we? That'll do it down there. I think we'll probably just run an extension lead out so we want to use it. It's only going to use about a minute a day, isn't it? So
yeah, just to warm your breakfast up.
There's no point in having that out on the side if we don't need it that often. So
Sorted.
Right. Okay, let's carry on then.
Right.
What's that?
The sound of the rain.
Missed the sound of the rain.
On the caravan, yeah.
On the caravan. Oh yeah,
I
static
missed
caravan.
it from Mablethorpe.
Yeah.
Oh, is that patch broke? Right, these are just going to have to go. Don't know whether to put them in a box or not. Right, this is all cleaning stuff, sponges. You can go up there, out the way with a hot water bottle. Got my kitchen roll. Helen says it's good for padding things out, to stop it moving.
Helen roaming in Raymond, Helen.
Yes, so that's good. It stops the toaster from moving.
Right, so we're unwrapping the bed for the very first time. So this is a mattress that we bought. I don't think people remember from a previous video. We bought this from some guys who was selling them, who was from a show house from some estate round the corner. So yeah, it's a brand new mattress. And it's a good one as well. It's a good one. It's a good one.
Are you excited to sleep in it for the first time on Friday?
It's going to be really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be really good. I can't wait. Can't wait. Read this.
I think this is the only time John's ever made a bed.
What cheek.
And he is going to make
What
it.
cheek.
I'm on holiday.
Right, so I think that for tonight,
We're done.
bit of preparation, that'll do for tonight. What do we need, Sam? What do we need?
I'll need some kitchen tongs, and next time I go to Asda I need to get a dinner set because I've just used stuff out of the house for now.
Kitchen tongs and a dinner set.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think
What about kettle?
Oh,
Gas kettle.
gas kettle. We need one of
Gas
those
kettle,
as well.
yeah.
That's on order with the canisters from Amazon.
Okay.
So, yeah, I think we're good to go.
Okay, we'll wrap that up tonight then, and see where we are later on in the week.
Yeah, just need to sort out what meals I'm cooking if we can find gas.
If we can find some gas, some LPG supply somewhere. Okay, right. Until we go, let's sign off.